Hey growers, you're watching SmartFarm documentary. Under the temperate skies of New Zealand, vast orchards of kiwi vines stretch across regions such as Bay of Plenty, Hawke's Bay, and Gisborne. What began decades ago as a niche horticultural crop has evolved into one of the country's most powerful agricultural industries. Today, New Zealand produces more than 500,000 tons of kiwi fruit annually and accounts for around 60% of global kiwi exports. With export revenue exceeding $1.5 billion, kiwi fruit has become a strategic pillar of the national economy and a symbol of agricultural excellence. But behind every green or golden slice lies a highly engineered system of orchard design, pollination, science, harvest, precision, and global logistics. This is the full journey of New Zealand kiwi fruit from vine to international market. The foundation of New Zealand's kiwi industry begins with variety selection. The most widely grown cultivars include the green-fleshed Hayward and premium gold varieties known for their smooth skin and sweeter flavor profile. Variety choice depends on climate compatibility, disease resistance, and global demand trends. Kiwi fruit thrive in loose, well-drained soils with a pH range of approximately 6.0 to 6.5. Before planting, growers conduct soil testing and apply organic compost or biofertilizers to enhance fertility and microbial activity. Proper drainage is critical because kiwi roots are highly sensitive to waterlogging. Unlike traditional fruit trees, kiwi plants are climbing vines. Before planting begins, farmers construct a robust trellis system. These overhead support structures allow vines to spread horizontally, maximizing sunlight exposure and airflow. The trellis also prevents fruit from touching the ground, reducing fungal risk and simplifying harvesting. Spacing plays a major role in productivity. Rows are typically spaced wide enough to allow mechanical access and airflow, ensuring that each vine receives optimal light. This reduces disease pressure and improves fruit uniformity. Irrigation systems, often drip-based, deliver controlled water directly to the root zone. During dry periods, stable soil moisture ensures consistent fruit development. Over-irrigation is avoided to protect root health. Nutrient management programs are carefully timed. Nitrogen supports vegetative growth and canopy development. Potassium enhances fruit firmness and sugar accumulation. Balanced fertilization ensures vines remain productive year after year. Pruning begins in the second year and continues annually. Weak, overcrowded, or unproductive canes are removed to redirect nutrients to fruit-bearing shoots. Proper pruning also improves light penetration and supports uniform fruit size. Flowering occurs in spring. Kiwi plants are dioecious, meaning male and female flowers, grow on separate vines. Successful fruit set depends entirely on effective pollination. To support this, growers introduce managed bee colonies and often supplement natural pollination with artificial pollen application. Collected pollen is dried, filtered, and sprayed across orchards using specialized equipment. This ensures uniform fertilization and higher yields, especially in large-scale orchards. Harvest season typically begins in autumn when fruit reaches optimal maturity. Unlike some fruits, kiwi fruit are harvested before fully ripening on the vine to ensure storage longevity. Farmers determine readiness using several metrics: firmness tests, dry matter analysis, and sugar content measurements using Brix meters help identify ideal harvest timing. Harvesting too early reduces flavor, while harvesting too late shortens storage life. Most kiwi fruit are still harvested by hand to prevent bruising. Workers carefully clip each fruit and place it into padded containers. Maintaining skin integrity is crucial because surface damage can compromise storage quality. In some orchards, robotic harvesters are being introduced. Equipped with AI-powered cameras and 3D sensors, these machines detect fruit size, color, and position. Robotic arms adjust grip pressure to avoid crushing the fruit. Harvest speeds can reach hundreds of fruits per hour. Once picked kiwi fruit are transported quickly to pack houses for stabilization and grading. At processing facilities, fruit undergoes systematic cleaning to remove field residues. Advanced inspection lines equipped with optical sensors evaluate size, color, firmness, and surface defects. Each fruit is graded according to export standards. Premium-grade kiwi fruit are allocated for high-value international markets. Others are sorted for domestic sale or processing. Ripening control is a critical stage. Some fruit are stored in controlled atmosphere rooms where oxygen and carbon dioxide levels are adjusted to slow respiration and extend shelf life for several months. Ethylene treatment may be applied to synchronize ripening before distribution. Packaging systems are engineered to protect fruit during long-distance shipping. Cartons include cushioning materials and ventilation designs to minimize impact damage. Cold chain logistics maintain consistent temperature from storage to final destination. New Zealand exports approximately 80% of its production, with major markets including China, Japan, and European countries such as the United Kingdom, Germany, and Italy. Traceability systems ensure each shipment can be tracked from orchard to retailer. Fresh kiwi fruit remains the dominant product. Both green and gold varieties are sold worldwide as premium fresh fruit. Beyond fresh consumption, kiwi fruit are processed into juice puree, dried snacks, and blended beverages. In processing plants, fruit are peeled, sliced, and pressed. Juice undergoes filtration and pasteurization before bottling. Dried kiwi slices are produced using controlled dehydration at moderate temperatures, preserving nutrients and natural sweetness. These products serve snack markets and health-focused consumers. Kiwi fruit are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, folate, and antioxidants. Their nutritional profile supports immune health, digestion, and cardiovascular wellness, contributing to strong global demand. Behind the scale of New Zealand's kiwi industry are thousands of growers, seasonal workers, agronomists, engineers, and logistics specialists. Orchard management requires year-round attention. Growers invest in trellis maintenance, irrigation infrastructure, pest monitoring, and quality assurance programs. Export coordination involves sophisticated supply chains linking orchards to ports and international distributors. The industry also emphasizes sustainability, including water conservation, biological pest control, and reduced chemical input. Kiwi fruit has become more than an export commodity. It represents innovation, national pride, and the success of combining agricultural tradition with advanced technology. The journey of New Zealand kiwi fruit begins in carefully prepared soil and extends across continents. From trellis-supported vines and precision pollination to hand harvesting and high-tech grading systems, each fruit reflects months of careful management. What reaches supermarket shelves around the world is not just a sweet, vibrant fruit, but the result of coordinated agricultural science, efficient logistics, and human dedication. The next time you slice open a kiwi, you are tasting the outcome of a global agricultural system that begins in New Zealand's orchards and ends on tables across the world.